An event is an action that can be triggered as a result of the user action or some kind of a system-generated event. For example, a mouse click or a button press is an event. And here is how we can handle events in React. On this button, you can add an onClick property written like this. There, we're going to have a callback function. A callback function is the one that simply doesn't have a name. It's here and it's just waiting for some kind of a command. Right here, we can write an inline code by simply saying alert clicked. If we save this, you can see that if we click on a minus button, we're going to get an alert that says clicked. That means that we read the event properly. But now on the click, we don't simply want to alert something. We want to change the state. For that, we're going to use the setter function, setCounter. What we can do is we can set it to something like -5 or any other value. And if we now click this, you can see it gets reset dynamically. The code changes. Now, how can we lower the count by 1 each time that we press a button? Well, inside of the setCounter, we're going to create a callback function. And right here, we have access to something known as a prev count.